Hello, this is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Uh, we are into logical troubleshooting in hydraulic systems, and this is the pump cavitation problem. And what is the cause of the cavitation problem? Suction strainer clogged or too small. What's the remedy? Clean or renew. Bore of suction line too small. What's the remedy? Fit large bore pipes. Too many bends in suction line, modify pipe layout. Suction line too long, reduce length or fit larger bore pipes. Fluid too cold, heat fluid to recommended temperature. Unsuitable fluid, replace with correct fluid. Air breather blocked or too small, clean or replace element. Local restriction in suction line, example partly closed valve or hose collapse. Open or modify valves, renew hoses, etc. Failure of boost pump, repair or replace boost pump. Pump running too fast, reduce to recommended speed. Pump mounted too high above oil level, modify pump installation. So in logical troubleshooting in hydraulic system, we have seen that what are the causes of pump cavitation and how to remedy it. This is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Our WhatsApp number is 00923124225402. If you want a copy of logical troubleshooting in hydraulic systems, you can WhatsApp us your request, and or our email is adnan_sunny@yahoo.com or sunny SANNI Adnan ADNAN@gmail.com, and WhatsApp is Eaton Hydraulics and Vickers free helpline for all customers in Pakistan or anywhere else. Thank you. Love hydraulics.